Hello friends, welcome to my channel K Education. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Also press bell icon due to which you will get notification of my new video. In today's session, we are going to deal with some MCQs question. Because in exam, MCQs questions are asked, or they are asking the MCQs questions. For that practice, for those for practice of those questions, I have made a set of some MCQs questions on Science 2 first lesson Heredity and Evolution 10th class Maharashtra board English medium. Also after this MCQ question I have made a sample test on this lesson of 10 mark. I will give the link of this PDF in description. If you wanted to, please visit to that link, and if you want, and also you can take a screenshot of this papers. Okay, let's start today's session. Multiple choice questions on lesson number 1 heredity and evolution. Let's start. Question number 1, fill in the blanks or choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, you can say first is dash is the pioneer of modern genetics. Dash is the pioneer of the modern genetics. Answer of this question is John George Mendel. Second, DNA structure is double helix structure. Third, the code for each amino acid consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called dash. It is called as triplet codon. An Indian scientist dash has made a discovery of 20 amino acids. Please modify the question. An Indian scientist dash has made a discovery of codes for 20 amino acids. This is the modification. Answer of this question is Dr. Hargobind Khurana. He was an Indian scientist and has also got a Nobel Prize. Next, amino acid brought by tRNA are bonded by dash. They are bonded by peptide bonds, PP bonds. It is also known as PP bonds, peptide bonds. Sixth, formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. Carbon dating method was developed by Willard Libby. Its book is also there, Willard Libby book, Radiocarbon. That question may be also asked in exam. Okay. Eighth, peripatus is connecting link between dash and dash. Answer is peripatus is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. These questions may be asked is give reason. Peripatus is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. You have to give the reason why peripatus is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Then, ninth, dash is the connecting link between reptiles and amphibians. Answer is lungfish. Lungfish is connecting link between reptiles and amphibians. 10th, the theory of Lamarckism was proposed by scientist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. The theory of Lamarckism was proposed by dash. Answer is the theory of Lamarckism was proposed by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. 11th was first record of human-like animal is with us in form of dash ape from East Africa. In form of dash ape of East Africa. Answer is first record of human-like animal is with us in form of Ramapithecus ape. Name of that ape is Ramapithecus ape in from South Africa. From South Africa. These were some 11 fill in blanks questions. From these questions, you can get the MCQ type or multiple choice questions. These questions may ask in a exam in multiple choice. You will get choices and you have to select your answer. I have not given here options because I wrote the answers directly, but in exam you will get the options. Next is question number 2. Question number 2. Complete the wave. Complete the wave. First wave is, if you have to see, the trio of scientists proved that except viruses, every living organism has DNA. Has DNA. This trio of these two scientists, their names are given in the first page of the lesson. First page of the lesson, second paragraph. Second paragraph. They have given this. Names are, if you wanted to see, Colin MacLeod, Oswald Avery, and third was Colin McCarthy, Colin MacLeod, and Oswald Avery. If you wanted to keep it in your mind their names, then we make a short form mock. By this you should keep it in your mind. M means Colin McCarthy, O Oswald Avery, C Colin MacLeod. Mock. Okay. Then next was evidences of evolution. Evidences we study. Now what are those evidences? Let's see. Embryological evidence, morphological evidence, anatomical evidence, connecting links, vestigial organs, planetological evidence. These are the 6 evidences, but in exam 4 evidences are essential, or 4 evidences only they may ask. For 2 marks, 4 evidences are essential. Okay. Then third wave is vestigial organs. Third wave is vestigial organs. We have studied the vestigial organs. What is vestigial organs? See, when evolution started, man having many organs. Okay, when evolution started, as per the evolution, gradually, slowly, the organs which are not in use, they started to disappear. For example, tail. Tail disappeared. Gradually, slowly, it disappeared during the evolution. Same way, some organs are not disappeared till which are not in use. Some organs not disappeared till which are not in use. Those organs are vestigial organs. Means they are vestigial organs. For they have given tailbone, coccyx, appendix, wisdom teeth, and ear muscle. Tailbone, coccyx, wisdom teeth, and ear muscle, or appendix, you can say. Now, ear muscle is not useful in us, but it is useful in animals, isn't it? Tailbone is not useful in us, but it is useful in monkeys. Appendix is also not useful in us. Wisdom teeth is also not useful in us. Okay, these were the vestigial organs. Next, types of RNA. Now, types of RNA, you have studied in 9th standard 3 types of RNA. Those only given here ki messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA. Messenger RNA is also known as mRNA. Transfer RNA is also known as tRNA. And ribosomal RNA is also known as rRNA. Okay, these are the types of RNA. Then question number 3, answer in one sentence. See, these 6 questions are very important. Not 6, these 2 questions are not very, but these first 4 are very important questions. So see, first is, what is heredity? Answer, transfer of biological characters from one generation to another via genes. It's called as heredity. This definition is given in the first line. This definition of heredity is given on the first line, first paragraph, first line of first lesson, first page. Okay, this definition has been given. Second is, what is central dogma? Answer, the synthesis of protein by DNA through RNA is called central dogma. See, as you know, the information of protein synthesis is in DNA, isn't it? Information of protein synthesis is stored in DNA. Now, DNA synthesize the protein through RNA. This is known as central dogma. Third is, what is triplet codon? The code for each amino acids consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codons. As you know, code I have given in the first part when I taught the first lesson. Of science 2, I have told ki code is problem and anti-code is solution. For one amino acid, 3 codes are essential to know the problem. Then, fourth is, what is evolution? If you read or study the lesson, you will get 3 definitions of evolution. How many? 3 definitions of evolution. The most important or common definition I have wrote here. Answer is, what is evolution? Answer, formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organism as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. Formation of new species due to the changes in specific characters of several generations of living organism as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. Then fifth question is, name the nitrogenous bases present in DNA. Now, nitrogenous bases, see, suppose that this is DNA. On these lines, On these lines you will see the nitrogenous bases. On this blue lines, you will see the nitrogenous bases. Four nitrogenous bases are there. How many? Four nitrogenous bases are there in DNA. Those are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. You should know which nitrogenous basis pairs with which nitrogenous basis. The answer is adenine pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. Adenine pairs with thymine, cytosine pairs with guanine. ATCG. Then name the nitrogenous bases present on RNA. Here also four only. Those are adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine. Adenine, uracil, cytosine and guanine. Here if you see the change key, in DNA thymine is there, but in RNA instead of thymine uracil is there. This is the change. Other nitrogenous bases are same in both. Now I will go through the test now. Simple test I have made. Simple test of 10 marks to see or to revise, to summarize what we studied. See the test. Marks 10. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 2 marks. See, instead of thymine, RNA contains this nitrogenous base. Now only we studied. Second is dash man as considered as first wise man. Options are Neanderthal, B. Ramapithecus, C. Homo sapiens, D. None of the above. Question number 2. Give reasons. See, give reasons. Why I given give reasons separately? Because in board specimen or in board question paper, give reason is an individual or separate question. According to change the pattern, give reason is a separate question in the board question paper. So I have given the give reason as a separate. Question is, lungfish is connecting link between amphibians and reptiles. Why? Give reason. Second is, study of fossils is an important aspect of evolution. Okay. Then question number 3C, complete the web. 2 marks. Evidences of evolution. This is textual questions, isn't it? Evidences of evolution. In exercise, this question was there, so you can easily solve it. Question number 4. Answer the following any 2 4 mark. First is, explain concept of Lamarckism. Second, define translation. And third, why Darwin says that to live, animal should acquire modifications essential for winning competition. These are the 3 questions. Now these 3 questions are not from the exercise. Why? Because most of the questions are not coming from the exercise for the board. For the board, many questions are from the lesson only. So you have to read the lesson, you will get it. If you wanted the answer of this test, model answer sheet of this test, then I will give you the link. In the description. Please go to that site and you can see the model answers. For this test. Okay. So this was test of very simple 10 marks test is there. Webs are also coming in board examinations. No, but separate question is not there of webs. They may come in answer the following. Okay. Let's thank you for watching this video. I forgot to tell you, please like, share and subscribe this video. Also press bell icon, due to which you will get notification of my new video. Thank you. And if you wanted to see the first part of the heredity and evolution, I will give you the link. Okay, thank you. You can watch the site. Okay, thank you.